how to add messages to the lock screen shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra or the Edge. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Now go down and tap on Wallpaper and Style, then tap on the left panel. In here, you can tap on the left or the right shortcut, then scroll down. After that, select Messages, then tap on Done, and then tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen, and here there is a Messages shortcut. To quickly access it, you can swipe on the Messages app like that, and that will allow you to quickly go to your messaging app. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.